What if a house were hollow in the most literal sense, structured as volumes that seem to float and breathe rather than rising heavily from the ground? Casa Hueca is exactly that, a residence in Mexico that rethinks how architecture relates to place, climate, and views. The project is organized into 3 distinct blocks: social, private, and service, each arranged on different levels to maximize ocean views and capture the natural sea breeze that crosses the site, ensuring cross-ventilation and thermal comfort. Between these blocks are 2 intermediate courtyards that function as spatial lungs. They visually connect interior and exterior, promote air circulation, and create natural shade that cools the spaces. At the heart of the house, transparency, shade, natural light, and cross-ventilation are not merely effects, they become part of the everyday experience of living. Casa Hueca does not hide from the landscape, it embraces it, channels it, and celebrates it in every movement. Wooden walkways connect all volumes from the main entrance to the beach, creating a continuous path that integrates architecture and nature, a sequence of spaces that fluidly guides you from arrival to direct engagement with the coastline. Casa Hueca is elevated above the ground rather than fully occupying it, allowing flora, fauna, and even tidal water to pass beneath in situations of environmental contingency. This gesture reduces the ecological footprint and gives the volumes a lightness that makes the architectural bodies appear to float over the tropical landscape. The blocks are not merely platforms. They incorporate horizontal planes that transform into terraces, integrating interior spaces with the natural surroundings and blurring the boundaries between inside and outside. One of the most striking innovations lies in its modular structure. Hollow core slabs, originally designed for roofs, were also used to form load-bearing walls. With a single section measuring 1.21 meters in width and 20 centimeters in thickness, the entire structural system of the house is resolved thanks to its intelligent design. The structural strategy is surprisingly simple and efficient. Each of the 3 blocks is supported by only 4 load-bearing walls, 2 perimeter and 2 central, that function as circulation and service cores, adapting to the needs of each block. The structure defines the identity of the house. All elements remain visible and honest without superfluous finishes. Exposed concrete forms columns, beams, and slabs, while wood, drawing inspiration from vernacular construction, is used in walkways and details, reinforcing the dialogue between architecture and local building traditions. In the end, this residence proves a powerful idea. Architecture can be profound and light at the same time. It just needs to know how to make space rather than simply build over it.